What is power of attorney and how does it relate to real estate deals?
So this is kind of a loaded one too.
It's a loaded one and it's a really broad one. Power of attorney is a legal concept delegating the authority to act from one person to another. And it really depends on the document and the specific language contained in the power of attorney. And when it comes up in real property transactions, it's usually when somebody's unavailable. Right. Either they're incompetent, they're out of the country, they're out of town, they may be overseas serving in the military. There's a number of ways that somebody might not be available to perform, and so they execute a power of attorney for someone to act on their behalf. Most of the time, you want that power of attorney to be as specific as possible. You know, if it's very general, sometimes the person on the other side is not going to know how to execute that document. It may not be, if it says, oh, you can do all my, manage all my property, you know, the ex-wife might not want, you may not want the ex-wife
Sure.
selling all of the ex-husband's property under a power of attorney. Sometimes you might. It just depends. It's good for lawyers, but it's also trouble for lawyers, and so more specific is always better. And different states have different rules, so rather than pull something off the internet or use something from your lawyer in another state, it's better to call a Florida lawyer if you knew you're going to need a power of attorney and get it executed by a Florida lawyer.